Gabadai Engausa tsarinta yana
You'll see Almajiri, you know, the level of inclusiveness is such that you'll see Almajiri in the same class with a PhD holder, because they are all here to learn the practical skills in their language, because we have broken the barrier of language. And of course, our motto is breaking barriers and bridging gaps. So we have broken the barrier of language, and then we have bridged the gap of technical skills which are demanded in our society.
Engausa, you already started, and we continue to encourage you more. And again, when we also start, we are going to collaborate so that more and more people are going to draft into your place. Where you need more space, we will solicit government support even for you, so that you can have a bigger place, so that more and more of these people can be recruited. It's not just few people. We have many of them in the society. And you are a pioneer in that area, because our own has been intention. I say somebody has already gone ahead of us. And we are pleased to come here to see that you have already Engausa, you already started, and we continue to encourage you more. And again, when we also start, we are going to collaborate so that more and more people are going to draft into your place.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Alhamdulillah, in this morning we are receiving important guests from Nigerian Institute of Mechanical Engineers, Kano branch. It is a courtesy visit. They have been listening to our programs on radio, on satellite TV. They have been seeing the impact in the society. And Alhamdulillah, they are here to show their support and advise us, because we always have visitors to Engausa, and we ask them for words of wisdom. And it's really a wisdom for Engausa to have hosted such kind of dignitaries with vast of experience and knowledge from National Institute of Mechanical Engineers, Kano branch. You are all welcome, sirs.
Thank you.
Alhamdulillah, Engausa has been established 4 years ago, and it was all about human capital development in digital skills and conventional technical skills. And Alhamdulillah, we have established it in the way that it will be inclusive. Inclusiveness in the sense that it will include both genders and those who are less privileged, those we call illiterates, who are not really illiterate in our society, including Almajiris, who are literate in Arabic. Yeah. They are literate in Arabic language, but we always address them as illiterates. But we really know that they are not illiterates. They can read and write, but in another language that is not recognized in the society or constitutionally. But they have linguistic human rights to learn the skills, to use their untapped wisdoms. Because among our staff currently are some of the Almajiris who we coached in Engausa, and they are now even fabricating equipments and tools and systems that are commercialized. Things like a digital power bank, rechargeable lamps, and all other sorts of electrical and electronic devices that are used in corporate organizations. So we don't look down at Almajiris and all those who are among those who UNESCO prescribed as NEETs, people who are not in education, employment, or training. They are all among our team in youth, whom are identified as illiterates, school dropouts, hard-to-reach communities. So Engausa has formulated a structure with an innovative methodology to include all this. And Alhamdulillah, before you know it, not only those who are less privileged. Right now in Engausa, we enroll lecturers from universities, PhD holders from universities, from Faculty of Engineering, as part of the students of Engausa. In the same class, you will see Almajiri you know, the level of inclusiveness is such that you see Almajiri in the same class with a PhD holder, because they are all here to learn the practical skills in their language, because we have broken the barrier of language. And of course, our motto is breaking barriers and bridging gaps. So we have broken the barrier of language, and then we have bridged the gap of technical skills which are demanded in our society, but we don't have the expertise. We don't have the people with the tech savvy skills to provide such kind of services in our society. Very little and you know, low technical services are being demanded in our society, but sometimes we have to invite people from the southern part of Nigeria who are good in that, because most of our students, most of our youth are brainwashed that they only need certificates in Western education. They don't need skills. They can go extra mile to buy the certificate or to participate in any kind of criminality to earn a certificate, just because they are looking for what we call just a paper quality certificate. But Engausa is creating awareness, not even in the classroom, but in the radio houses, in satellite TVs like Africa TV3, Arewa 24, Arewa Radio, and what have you. So now Engausa is expanding, not only to have a technical skill acquisition center, but we currently have developed a foundation called Engausa Skill Development Foundation, because we realized all our missions and visions cannot be under a profit organization. Most of our visions and missions can be achieved if we have a selfless platform like foundation, as advised by the current ES of MBT, Professor Idris Muhammad Bugaji. He advised us that Engausa is not only a profit organization, he called it social enterprise. So it can't go with only one wing of profit. What we are doing is beyond profit, but it's a societal reorientation and transformation. And we cannot achieve all this without the support of professional bodies like yours. You are welcome to Engausa.
We have all heard the inspiring speech by the CEO of this group, and which fortunately is in line with also our vision in Nimeki. And very soon we are going to pay a courtesy visit to the Commissioner of Works, and also we are going to pay a visit to Kano State Polytechnic very soon for some of this, the same thinking, and we are very happy so that we can now collaborate. We will now identify this place to be one of the centers for skill acquisition centers. And our broad view is not just only, because you can see mechanical is a whole lot of skills, fabrication, and so many other skills, welding and fabrication, and many other type of skills that is in the society. We also have such type of thing in mind, and this place will become one of the training center under that recruitment process, and so that we'll get more and more people to come in here for you to train. And not only a center, we also want to identify many of the training centers, acquisition centers. And just like what you have said, we have local artisan. You call them maybe tailoring or bricklayer or mechanic. They have skills. And these skills, the only thing that is missing is the technical knowledge. Sometimes they know how to fix, but there is need for certain scientific knowledge to back up with that skill. And when that is added, you discover that that person will be whole in terms of what is repairing, in terms of what he's doing. Therefore, we have this technical aspect, which is the skill acquisition, back up with the scientific knowledge, technological knowledge. And we in the institute, we are ready to back up whatever the skill is there for all the key skill acquisition center, which we send all our candidates to, and we will provide the technical knowledge. Many of us are directors in various institutions, and some are retired directors. We have our members. We have our members in academic institutions, PhD holder. We have so many of our members in all different fields, because when you say mechanical, it's not only just the ministry department. We also have in all the industries. In all industries, you have a mechanical engineer. When you say industry, then which means it's a whole lot of broad opportunity for us to now be able to bring out these people, the same vision of what you have. We equally have similar vision. Reach out to these people, bring them out, trade them in those areas, and then weekly we provide some of this what we call theory. But the theory is also practical, because if you don't know the science and technology of a thing, you'll not be able to appreciate the skill. Therefore, both will go together, so that by the time you acquire the skill will now be whole, and then you can have advancement in our society. We are very grateful for this opportunity to come here, and you are a pioneer in that area, because our own has been intention. I say somebody has already gone ahead of us. And we are pleased to come here to see that you have already you are already started, and we continue to encourage you more. And again, when we also start, we are going to collaborate, so that more and more people are going to draft into your place. Where you need more space, we will solicit government support even for you, so that you can have a bigger place, so that more and more of these people can be recruited. It's not just few people. We have many of them in the society. And the more we can do that into society, the more we are revolutionizing the society. What the manpower we are talking about, instead of people roaming about the street, not doing anything, they will not be useful for themselves, are contributing partly to the development of the country. Thank you very much.
People said, for every successful man, there's a woman, ba? We have an engine room, Nimeke engine room. He's a lady, Kalibis Akanarawana. It's our Gensec engineer Asma Ujafar Baba. She is the one who negotiates, who uses her time up and down to make this visit a reality. So I think she has a word for you, Engineer Asma.
Assalamu alaikum. Let me stand on the existing protocols. All have been said by our able chairman, the founder of Engausa, and the technical secretary. Actually, I would be a little bit biased. The day I came, I saw many women in this room. But today I'm only seeing the only female here. What happened to the other ladies? No, I wanted her to answer. The question is to her. So please, my aspect is that I was really, really happy when I see ladies here. Actually, we are always left behind. We are always left behind, most especially in the aspect of technology. You hardly see a woman, or you hardly see young ladies joining this kind of skills and training, because in our culture, even seeing a lady here before, I know that she has gone and a lot of challenges, because societal they say, when abin na mazani, me to let me be in Engausa. When abin I gurum mazani, why are you going there? So please, I want to appreciate the ladies that are coming here and let them use the skills. At least even at home you can use. And I want to appreciate the founder. Actually, when I came here, he was very, very humble. That was what even motivated me, for him to even give time and to respond immediately. Actually, he was here on time. I was even shy when I saw him coming before all of us. So I felt guilty. So I know that, yes, we are in the right place. Please, I pray to Almighty Allah to support this place, to bring any beneficial activity or anything that will raise the status of the founder and the student and the society all around. Thank you so much for giving me time.
Shin kana ko kina da wata skill ko ta kwarewa da kuke alfahari da ita? Magana muke kan koyon wasu dabaru ko fasahohi da kuke da sha'awar kwarewa akai. Dan zame muku hanya dodar, ta tsayawa da ƙafafunsu a zamanance. Ƙwarewa akan skills kamar na building installation skills, wanda program ne da ya ƙunshi installation da solar, CCTV, computer networking, satellite TV installation, electrical wiring installation da kuma electric fencing. Ga kuma Engausa Digital Literacy Skill Up. Wannan program ɗin kuma ya ƙunshi video editing, graphics design, blogging, website design, digital marketing and photography.